So before I jump into the content, first of all, I want to congratulate all of us guys, all of us, because Bitcoin has officially broken above 100,000. The laser eye have finally paid out. So what does this mean for the medium short term? What does this mean for the upcoming days? Because price looks very, very bullish and also looks like it could be hitting even higher. So will it happen? Will the price continue this uptrend, or are we going to see a fake out? One of the biggest fake out or drop up around 10 to 15% before expecting another continuation here to the upside. So today's video is definitely going to be an interesting one, so I want you guys to watch it till the end, and also destroy that like button now and not at the end. Thank you very much. Now, first thing first, let's look at this leading indicator. According to the leading indicator, we were aware the month of December was going to be bullish because we printed an ascending CPR. Ascending CPR only gets formed during uptrend, and I've been saying this since ages. And in our case, the CPR was also higher than the previous month CPR, which clearly indicated us uptrend. But what I want you guys to look at, yes, I am happy to see the price of Bitcoin above 100,000, and also I'll be happy if we could test the monthly arrow line before choosing a trend duration. If that happens, if the price gets attracted towards the first target for the month of December, according to our leading indicator, which is around 108,000, guys, I want you to be careful in that case, because since this here is a VCPR, VCPR means price is choosing a trend duration without touching any of these three trend lines, which is very, very dangerous. Yes, in the past price action, you can see when the price of Bitcoin was in an uptrend, but it was choosing a trend duration without touching this CPR trend line. What happened? We fell back towards the CPR trend line, and only after that started with this bullish move. Same thing happened here. Before we started with an actual bullish move, Bitcoin got attracted towards the CPR trend line, and only after that started with this bullish move. So what I'm trying to pinpoint here is that even if the price starts showing another continuation towards the next price objective, according to our leading indicator, which is around 108,000, the monthly arrow line, please be careful, because as soon as we reach around this arrow line, there could be a massive sell-off. Price of Bitcoin after that showing 10 to 15% drop, getting attracted towards the CPR trend line, and only after that show another continuation like this. Yes guys, in case of another massive shakeout, I want you to be prepared, because right now Bitcoin looks very bullish, just like the symmetrical triangle example we are also breaking it to the upside. But even in this example, you can see after some bullish move, there could be more sideways movement. So same thing could be happening in our case before, right? Before expecting another continuation, before choosing an actual trend duration. Yes guys, we are expecting the price of Bitcoin to test this CPR trend line one time in the month of December. I don't know when is it going to be. Maybe it could be after testing this monthly arrow line, or maybe this here could be resulting in another continuation like this before another bullish continuation. It could happen, but please be aware there is a very, very high probability or chance of Bitcoin testing the support from this CPR trend line, and only after that continue with this actual bullish move. So even if this bullish continuation plays out, what is expected? A move around arrow line, and right after that a big drop around this monthly CPR line. Yes guys, even though things are looking very bullish, I mean, according to this Bollinger Band, you can see after testing the basis line, Bitcoin started bouncing up, because during uptrend, the center line of the basis line acts as support. And after this small squeeze in Bollinger Band, you can see we have started to break to the upside. And we know upper band only gets broken during uptrend, but I just want you to be careful. Yes guys, I want you to be careful, because even after this bullish move, it doesn't necessarily mean that we might not see a move like this. I mean, price could be coming back to liquidate the over leverage longs, and only after that continue with this actual bullish move. So for now, our price targets is this arrow line, which is around 108,000. So until then, we have to monitor the price movement very, very carefully, because we know this Williams alligator indicator is also showing strength. I mean, green line appearing at the top, blue line at the bottom only happens during uptrend, and this type of uptrend pullback results in a bullish continuation. Yes, this Williams alligator indicator for now will be also acting as support in case of a shakeout. So any sort of a pullback, you can see it's not just only a retest from this December CPR, but it is also a retest from this Williams alligator indicator, which in our case will be acting as support, and price after that is expected to continue higher because this pullback here in a bigger picture will be giving us a great buying opportunity because Bitcoin in a bigger time frame still looks very, very bullish. And just like how we anticipated, you can see this impulsive wave 5 is playing out. Price is heading towards this 0.5, which in our case, which we believe is going to be in between 110 120,000. So until we reach this price range, please be aware. Any sort of a pullback, again guys, any sort of a pullback will be just a temporary pullback, because not just on Elliott wave theory, even this descending broad image, another bullish continuation is also pointing us 110 120,000 is on the line, and even the price opportunity from this cup and handle pattern. Yes guys, according to this cup and handle pattern as well, Bitcoin is expected to head higher even after some shakeout. So until we reach this 110 120,000, I am going to remain bullish. Yes guys, any sort of a pullback will be looked as an opportunity before expecting another continuation to the upside. So even if the price shows fake out, even if the price shows another 10-15% drop from here, please do not let that fool you. That will be just a temporary pullback to liquidate the over leveraged traders, and right after that we are expecting a V-shape or a U-shape type of recovery. So in case of doubt, simply zoom out. So guys, these were some of the quick updates that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my vlog, then please do not hesitate to destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And also a quick reminder, if you haven't claimed these free bonuses from Bybit, Phemex, OKX, then definitely check the video description. And by saying this, I'm signing out until next time. Bye bye.